Now I'm going to step outside, step out my home, and just look around and see how beautiful it is. This way to the Volga River, the bank of the Volga River. Here's the apple tree. In the autumn, there's a lot of apples that drop down here. Here's a beautiful mini garden. In the evening, also in the morning, here you can see the birds singing. You can hear, of course, not see. Yes, it's just beside my house. So if you love it, if you love this beautiful nature, the birds singing, and you want more of this video, like and subscribe my channel, and I'll show you more beautiful things. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.